Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Udzwak Neuro Academy. Today, we'll be talking about the cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex is also called the pallidum. In humans, it has an area of about 2.2 square meter. The characteristic feature of this cortex is the presence of sulci and gyra, which are found on the surface of the cortex. The two cerebral hemispheres are usually separated by a deep vertical fissure. The separation is complete anteriorly and posteriorly, but in the middle portion, the fissure extends only up to corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is the broad band of commissural fibers connecting the two hemispheres. Now let's look at the lobes of the cerebral cortex. In each hemisphere, there are three surfaces: lateral, medial, and inferior surfaces. Each cerebral hemisphere consists of four lobes. We have the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the occipital lobe, and the temporal lobe. The lobes of each hemisphere are usually demarcated by four main fissures and sulci, which are the central sulcus or Rolandic fissure, which is between the frontal and the parietal lobe, the parieto-occipital sulcus, which is between the parietal and the occipital lobe, the Sylvian fissure or lateral sulcus, which is between the parietal and the temporal lobes, the calloso-marginal fissure, which is between the temporal lobe and the limbic area. Let us look at the histology of cerebral cortex. Cerebral cortex is formed by different types of nerve cells, along with their processes and neuroglia. It is not uniform throughout. It is thickest, that is, it is about 4.5 centimeter at the precental gyrus and thinnest at the frontal and occipital poles. According to Economo, the cerebral cortex is formed by 6 layers of structures. The layers from outside to inside are: number 1, the molecular or plexiform layer; number 2, the external granular layer; number 3, the outer pyramidal layer; number 4, the internal granular layer; number 5, the ganglionic layer or the internal pyramidal layer; number 6, the fusiform cell layer. Thank you.